Hey everyone. Welcome back to another session on Snowflake. Thanks for tuning in. In this walkthrough, we're diving into something essential: navigating and managing your Snowflake environment. Whether you're a beginner, or just brushing up, understanding how to work with databases, schemas, tables, and other database objects is absolutely key. In Snowflake, we can manage our environment in two main ways: through the web interface, and by using SQL commands. Let's explore both, starting with the interface. When you're in the Snowflake UI, head over to the Data tab. From here, you can open a databases, and start navigating your schema. Expand a sample database, and you'll see schemas. Think of them as logical containers for all your database objects. Inside a schema, you'll often find tables, but there can also be other objects like stages, file formats, pipes, and more. We'll cover those in detail later. In this data section, you'll see a full overview of all existing databases and the hierarchy. Make sure your role has access. For complete visibility, let's switch to the account admin role. From here, you can create new databases, dive into existing ones, view schemas and objects, preview data, check privileges. All interactively, super handy if you're more visually oriented. Let's go ahead and create a new database. Click the plus database button. Give it a name, say demo_DB, and optionally, add a comment like, "This is our demo database." Click create, and there you go. Now, we can select this database, view its details, and configure privileges. Snowflake uses role-based access control, and roles can inherit privileges based on a hierarchy. For instance, if we grant privileges to the security admin role, higher-level roles like account admin will also have access, but lower ones, like public, won't. Now that we've created our database, let's add a schema. Click plus schema, name it demo_schema, and confirm. Once that's done, it will appear in your database structure, and we're ready to build our first table. Head over to the Worksheets tab again. Select your database and schema from the drop-down. We have seen how database and schema can be created through user interface. If you would like to create them through SQL, here are the equivalent commands. Now let's create a table using SQL. This is our first table. A quick note: avoid using spaces in object names, use underscores instead to keep things clean and error-free. Once you run this query, the table is created. Now try a simple select. You'll see the table structure, but since we haven't added data yet, it's currently empty. So there you have it, a foundational overview of working with databases, schemas, and tables in Snowflake. We've seen how to use both the interface and SQL commands to manage your environment. As we continue, we'll explore each of these components, including roles, privileges, and other database objects, in more detail. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you won't miss our upcoming deep dives into Snowflake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.